This video was shot with the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses.
All right, let's put this Kasue together. I'm on my back porch right now, and we're going to set it up right here in the corner on the back porch. Should be plenty of room for it for now. Christmas is over. We got this for Christmas, so the Christmas tree is going back up in the attic. So let's get this thing open. I've set up one of these tents before. They're pretty straightforward. You're going to have a metal or aluminum frame, neatly packaged. Infrared lights, corner and end pieces. Looks like a filter. More pieces to the frame. The actual tent itself. A chair. And this is going to be the steamer. Sauna steamer, rapid heating, 1000 watt. It's got a 99-minute timer, and it's 110 volt. All right, first things first, we got to build out the frame. There are pipe A's and then pipe B's. The pipe B's are the shorter ones. There are more of these. There's 11 pipe B's and 8 pipe A's. The pipe B's are going to be the horizontal structure. The pipe A's are the vertical structure. Okay, so let's take our corners out. All right. All right, we got our base. Grab 4 verticals. Okay, so these are the middle pieces that go on the first set of verticals, and the ones that are only 3 pieces are going to be your entryway, right? So 1, 2, 3, no cross beam. This is your entryway. So we'll go here. The one that goes all the way through is our backbone. Just like that. All right, now we'll get 4 more short pieces. Oops. Sorry, 3 more short pieces. Connect in the middle. There isn't a 4th piece because of the entryway. There we go. And these are the 4 that'll make up the top. Last set of verticals. I'm going to have to find a way to kind of tie this down. These tent saunas can be affected by the wind. They can be blown over. And in that case, they can also be damaged. So we're going to find a way to secure this so that it's not blown over. My back porch is sheltered. And we do have a little bit of a wind break here, but we do get a decent amount of wind, as you can hear in those wind chimes. All right. Last set of horizontals. There are 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll get in there. All right, let's get the tent on. It's a layered material. You can tell the outside material is a bit thin. Go ahead and get the door open. Trying to basically just establish a foot, and then I'll zip it all together once I do that. Okay, that's the door. I think I got it. Yeah, because that's going to be right there. Okay. So trying to be careful that I put the door in the right spot in the tent. Push it back a little bit. Okay, it's going to be the door, and this is going to be the top. Okay, snug fit, snug fit. And then zip up. You always want to be really careful with these zippers. You don't want to put too much stress on them. I'll kind of assist it a little bit by holding it close further down the zipper. Just kind of helps it come together a little easier. There we go. We got the tent set up. Let's set up the sauna steamer and the light. All right, let's take a look at the steam generator that comes with the Kasue. Give you an idea of the size. Now this is going to be set outside of the sauna, right? So I'm going to set it right there in the corner. And one of these tubes is going to connect here. All right, we're going to put the nozzle on with the spigot on the outside. Oh, come on, don't slip. There we go. There we go. And this is going to seal up the hole. diffuser here. Now we're going to hook up the tubes. One tube goes in the inside, one goes on the outside. Oh, come on, there we go. Just like this. Just like this. It's a diffuser box. It's going to catch a lot of water that condensates in the tube, but it's also great for any additives, any herbal oils or anything like that that you want to add. Pop that on. This we're going to run outside. Like this. We'll plug this in here. Go like that. Oops, come on. There we go. All right, we got it turned on. Let's get some water in there and get the sauna steamed up. See what it looks like. Got it set up. As you can see, it's steamy in there. This is the one with the infrared upgrade. And you've got the steamer rolling. It's only been rolling for about, maybe 10 minutes so far, but it is starting to steam up in there. Let's take a peek. Start by just... Oh yeah, it's definitely hot and steamy. All right, Kasue home sauna. About to get in some sauna time. Thanks for checking out the video. Y'all take care.